Hey guys, it's Sarah with ExtremeTerrain.com, and today we have a review and install of the Barricade Front Floor Mats in black, fitting your 07 through 18 Jeep Wrangler JK. These mats feature OE quality thermoplastic construction with an aggressive tread pattern design and a raised lip to contain spills and messes. These mats are compatible with your OEM anchoring system and provide all-weather protection while cleaning with soap and water. Coming in at around $65, these are the most budget-friendly option for a direct fit plastic mat. I'm giving this install a very simple 1 out of 3 wrenches. These mats can be installed in minutes and feature direct fit installation with no trimming required. With that said, let's jump right into our install. All right, so we're starting with our passenger side floor mat. If you're not sure which is which, because they are pretty similar, it is stamped right on the back down here. So grab your mat. We're aiming for this anchor point here. Slide your mat down on the floor and over the anchor point. It'll shoot for this middle grommet, but they did change these around on different Jeeps. So if yours does not come through this one, you can pop these out and move them around. Repeat that process with your driver's side mat. Make sure you're getting underneath all of the pedals and that your anchor point comes through the hole in your mat. All right, so that is gonna do it for the review and install of our Barricade floor mats. Remember, for all things Jeep, keep it at ExtremeTerrain.com.